Switching back to that 12mm socket for the 4-door CRX hatchback, should all be basically the same on the front clip. What we're going to do today is strip down the front clip, starting with the front bumper, and tear it all down into the engine bay. Check out kind of the tools we'll need. Pretty basic to take the whole thing apart. The power tools aren't really necessary, but I got a 10, 12, 14, 17 wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, needle nose, channel locks, and a pair of dikes, wire cutters, a couple different socket wrenches, some extensions, and again, same sizes on the socket, 10, 12, 14, 17. Could take apart the whole car with that. A couple other tools come in handy here and there, but if you're going in order, that's really all you need. Switching back to that 12mm socket for these bumper supports. Left and right, these are in amazing condition. Usually these start to rust out and then your bumper will start to sag. You'll end up stripping these bolts out too, so those came out nice and easy, but anticipate having issues with most of these off.